Woodworking machine. Definition, types, uses, working, application, advantages and disadvantages. Definition of woodworking machine. The woodworking machine is a type of machine that is utilized to process or to make different objects, artifacts, etc. These woodworking machines are generally powered by electric motors and are exclusively used in woodworking. Sometimes even the grinding machines, which are typically used for grinding objects down to smaller pieces, are also considered to be a part of woodworking machinery. Types of woodworking machines. 1. Surface/thickness planer. The wood surface planer, or better known as thickness planer, is one of the popular wood workshop machines mainly used for finishing flat wooden surfaces to provide consistency in thickness and shape. 2. Tenoning machine. The tenoning machine is typically used to craft out those tenons. 3. Chain/chisel mertizer. The chain/chisel mertizers are one of the very important and versatile woodworking machine tools which are used for drilling up holes into wooden surfaces. These mertizers are typically utilized in workshops for making square or rectangular slots in lumber pieces in order to get the desired mortise and tenon joints. 4. Jigsaw. Designing of wood for artistic patterns and designs is best accomplished on a jigsaw machine. The jigsaw machine is capable of cutting the most arbitrary and most irregular shapes out of wooden pieces. 5. Grinder/grinding machine. A number of different types of grinding tools are used in woodworking shops and wooden manufacturing industries for providing a better finishing to wooden surfaces. The most commonly used grinding machines in such industries is the bench/tabletop grinders, blade grinders, gear-type grinding tools. 6. Nail gun. A nail gun, or sometimes known as a nailer, gives us the capability to drive nails into wood and other materials. It accomplishes the work of a hammer, but in a fraction of the time and with greater accuracy and much less effort. The nail gun is available in a lot of variants, where it may either be spring-loaded, or it could be powered by compressed air, gas-powered by propane or butane, or even powered by magnetism. Some nail guns even use the force created by detonating a small explosive charge. 7. Handheld sanders. A handheld sander enables us to provide a smooth finish to wooden surfaces with sandpaper, but with much less effort and much faster speeds than doing it by hand. The handheld sanders consist of a disc, which is driven by an electric motor that rotates it at high speed. By connecting a disc of sandpaper, we can fasten any discs of sandpaper at different roughness in order to provide a smooth finish to a wooden surface. The variations in handheld sanders available in the market include the orbital sander, belt sander, and random orbit sander fixed machines. 8. Wood lathe. The process of working of wood on a lathe is termed as wood turning. The wood lathe is much like the regular lathe used for turning metal, and it enables us to shape any wooden workpiece. The wooden lathe has a chuck that rotates at high speeds on a belt-driven central axis. The end that holds the workpiece is known as the headstock. An electric motor is utilized to drive the axis of this lathe. 9. Bandsaw. The history of this woodworking machine can be traced as far as to the early 19th century. As its name suggests, a bandsaw is a flexible saw-toothed blade that comes in the form of a band. This band fits over 2 or more rotating wheels which are driven by powerful electric motors. This sawtoothed blade passes vertically through a slot present in the workbench surface. The workpiece then slides against the fast-moving blade to get cut. Bandsaws are an integral and important part of any timber mill or woodworking shop. saw also goes by the names bench saw or saw bench. In a table saw, an electric motor is used to drive a circular saw. A portion of this circular blade is projected through an opening in the surface of a tabletop. The workpiece then slides along the guide on the tabletop over the saw to get the desired shape. The height of the circular blade can be adjusted according to our needs. The table saw is a handy machine for rough sizing of wooden planks and beams. 11. Router. This handheld power tool provides us the capability to hollow out sections in any wood workpiece and any other materials. The router to some extent looks a lot like the handheld sander since it also has a circular blade like a sander. The router is considered to be one of the most versatile tools in the field of woodworking by many woodworking professionals. Thanks for watching.